Hey guys, so I didn't get to take a shower yet, but I'm on my way. This is Miss Haley.
Hi.
Oh, bring your chair from off the porch. And we got a package. We got a package from Sexy Smooth Wax. Y'all, we're going into doing the little wax on things. Can you see? Okay, so we're gonna let Haley open the package. Okay, love, open the package. You got it?
Let me skip it. Then quiero ver ahora.
You got it?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Shout out to Sexy Smooth Wax, Waxing Queen.
Shout out to that because I can't say it.
We've been watching her videos, especially with Skeleton.
Ooh, I love him. Or is it her or him?
It's a boy.
Oh, okay.
You got it or you need help?
I got it.
Oh, you're strong. Eating them vitamins. Oh.
I thought they were like little packages.
No, it's a big one. Now who opened it? You need help. You got it?
I got it. I got it.
All right now. Yay.
The wax is kind of melted.
It's the Cherry Desire.
Oh my god.
There's more? There should be 2. What's wrong? Whoa! Okay. Thank you. Thank you for the sticks. We needed these 2, didn't we, Haley?
No, we have 2 whole packs of them.
Oh, we do?
Yeah, big pack.
Well, it's still good to have. You can never have too many. Thank you. Put them in a Ziploc bag.
Then we got the other red one. What is it called?
Sexy Smooth Wax Cherry Desire. All right, y'all. So we will stay tuned. Stay tuned because we're going to do a waxing video. All right, y'all. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Do your big ones because how many people want to see Haley wax my legs? Cause I think she gets too much pleasure out of that sucker. Cause, woo! She do a little bit of time be trying to break me down.
Thank you for our 2 wax bags.
Or she can wax my eyebrow, but I don't know if she can do that, y'all. Cause she might take it all off my face.
Thank you.
And then she might do it on purpose. But all right, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Pick up those things. And we're gonna we're gonna do a wax video. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be educational. And talk to y'all later. Bye. Say bye, Garcia.
Bye.